Okay, on the axis below, sketch the graph y equals to x 4 minus x. So let's find out where are the roots. So make y equals to 0 so that we know where it cuts at x-axis. So when you make y equals to 0, you have x 4 minus x equals 0. Therefore x equals to 0, 4 minus x equals 0, x equals to 4. And then same thing for the next equation. Okay, so part 2. So you have y equals to 0, x squared 7 minus x equals 0. So x equals 0. So x squared equals 0, so therefore x equals 0. And 7 minus x equals to 0, x equals to 7. So you have two curves. Okay, let's draw those two curves. So you have one that is quadratic, but it is, the a value is negative, so it goes down, okay, concave downwards. So 0, and then that's 4. Okay, so that's 0. And then you have a cubic curve, but x squared, so it's a repeated root, so it should be, and a is minus as well. So since a is minus, so it doesn't start from the bottom, it starts from the top. So it goes like that, its repeated roots go up, and then it cuts at x equals to 7. Okay, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, so it cuts at x equals to 7. So this is 7. Okay, so that's your first question A, part 1 and part 2. Okay, for next question, which is part B, show that the x coordinate of the points intersect y equals to x 4 minus x and y equals to x square bracket 7 minus x are given by the solution as x squared minus 8x plus 4 equals 0. Show the x coordinate of the points of intersection. Okay, points of intersection. So the next thing that you have to do, you gotta equate them. Okay, let's equate 7x squared minus x cubed, and this is equals to 4x minus x squared. Okay, so let's do this. So if I bring that over, that's x cubed minus x squared minus 7x squared plus 4x. Okay, this is equal to 0. So I'll write the 0 over here. So x cubed minus 8x squared plus 4x. Okay, that's equal to 0. So if I factorize x, so you get x squared minus 8x plus 4. Okay, so once that is done, the question says the point A lies on both on the curve, and x and y are positive. Okay, the point A, so we have to factorize this. So you have x equals 0 from here, and then we can factorize this, x squared minus 8x plus 4. Okay, when I factorize that, I'm going to use, okay, the sum is minus 8, and sorry, yeah, sum is minus 8, product is 4. I don't think so I'll be able to solve. Sum is minus 8, product is 4. I don't think so. So let's use the formula. So x equals to negative b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. So a equals to 1, b equals to negative 8, and c equals to positive 4. So if I sub that, x equals to negative 8, and then plus minus b square, which is negative 8 square, minus 4 times by 1, and then c is 4, and the whole thing divided by 2 times by 1. So this would give us, that's positive b square 64 minus 16 over 2, and this is 8 plus minus 64 minus 16 is 48, or square root of 48, which is 16 times 3. So I can write it as 8 plus minus 4, so 3 over 2. So let's simplify that. So you get 4 plus minus 2 third 3. And if you read the question, it says point A lies on both of the curves and the x and y are positive. So you only take the positive value. So 4 plus 2 third 3 is definitely positive, but I don't think so 4 minus 2 third 3 is positive. If you take calculator, 4 minus 2 third 3, it gives you a oh yeah, it is a positive, but it's such a small number. Okay, so 4, yeah, looks like I have to take that as well. So let's try. Let's take both. Okay, both values, both are positive, so I have to take both. Okay, now maybe one of the y value might be negative, so we only take out of these two x values, 4 plus 2 third 3, 4 minus 2 third 3, we have to choose the one that gives you x positive and y positive. Okay, so let's do this. So you take 4 plus 2 third 3, so I'm gonna take x equals to 4 plus 2 third 3, and then sub this into the x. So I'm going to choose for the first equation. Okay, so just for, because it's easy, so y equals to x, 4 minus x, so that should be 4 plus 2 third 3, okay, times by 4 minus 4 plus 2 third 3. Okay, so this would give us 4 plus 2 third 3, and if you look at it, that's my 4 minus 4 is 0, so minus negative times by 2 is negative 2 third 3. Okay, when you times those, you get 4 minus 8 third 3, and minus 4 times 3, which is minus 12. Okay, so that gives us, that's certainly a negative value. Okay, so that's when x equals to 4 plus 2 third 3. Let's take when x equals to 4 minus 2 third 3. Let's see what we are getting. Okay, when I take x equals to 4 minus 2 third 3, this would be y equals to x 4 minus x, so that will be 4 minus 2 third 3, open bracket, 4 minus 2 bracket 4 minus 2 third 3 close bracket, so this is 4 minus 2 third 3, and this is positive. Okay, instead of negative this time it's negative, that will be positive 2 third 3. Now let's times that, you get 8 third 3 minus, that's 12. Okay, so that's negative and this is positive. Okay, you can use calculator. So 8 third 3 minus 12 is 1.85 dot dot dot. So therefore the coordinates are, okay, 4 minus 2 third 3, which gives me 0.588. So the coordinate of A will be 4 minus 2 third 3 and 8 third 3 minus 12. That's your answer.